welcome to Bitesize Piano. So in this tutorial, it's going to be a short one. We're just going to do like the main riff, I guess you could call it, for Under Pressure by Queen and David Bowie. So it's an incredibly famous riff. So that's what I'm going to teach you today. So this will be suitable for beginners. This is aimed at beginners. It's pretty easy. So I'm going to teach both hands separate. So here is middle C. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, and the left hand is going to start on this D. And the only two notes you need is a D and an A in the left hand. So we're going to go D, 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 A. Like that. And then again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A. And that's all we need for the left hand. So the right hand, you can play it in this octave, just whichever octave you have, or up there. And I am holding my sustain pedal down as well, so it sounds more reverby. So what you're going to play here, the two chords you need is G and D, and then this D and A. You can play it like this, like that. So G and D, and then G and A. Or you can play it like this, so using your 2 and 5 on the G and D, and then your 1 and 3 on the D and A. It's up to you which fingers you use and what you feel comfortable with. So putting it together then, once you're comfortable with each part, so the left hand comes in first, so we go. And then the right hand comes in, and then the left hand bass line starts again when you play this D and A chord. Right, together. You could try it if you want, if you have the higher octave up here. So we have left hand. That is the tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, it's just a short one. As soon as you play that to someone, most people recognize it. So have fun with it. It repeats most of the way throughout the song. I've left a link to my other easy beginner tutorials below, so go and check those out as well. If you are a beginner or just want to learn something easy and straightforward, there's probably something in that playlist you fancy learning. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.